Hello everyone, welcome back to the Office Excel course. In this section, I will introduce the filling handle, which can help us enter data quickly. We will learn to use the function of fill series, copy cells, fill formatting, and fill without formatting. The most basic functions of the filling handle are filling series and copying cells. For example, we enter 1 and place the mouse in the lower right corner of the cell. When the plus-shaped filling handle appears, pull down to fill the cell data so that the filling series is completed. In addition to filling numbers in series, you can also fill in dates and days in series. To achieve copy field, right-click and select Copy Cells. The data can be quickly copied. Filling handle can fill the data according to certain format. First, we need to enter data in the first two cells of the area to be filled. In this way, the format is determined. For instance, enter course 1 in D1 and course 3 in D2. Select the two cells at the same time and use the filling handle to fill in the data. The data will be filled according to the format. Filling handle can also fill the data without formatting, but according to custom lists. To set the custom list, we need to click Menu, Options, Custom Lists, and input the list we want in List Entries. For example, we enter rabbit, dog, cat, elephant, bear as a new list. Pay attention, we need to use Enter to wrap the line between each content. After setting, enter one of the contents in the cell. Use the filling handle to fill the next content automatically.